Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create your own zoom in animation on CapCut PC. So it's pretty simple. You can just go to effects and you can go to lens and you can select the zoom lens, which is like somewhere here. Just add it to your video and you can adjust the range, and adjust the speed if you want it to be slower. But maybe make it like that. But there's actually another way to do it manually. So select your video and just add a keyframe in position and size. And for instance, you want to zoom here. So we're just going to simply scale it and you'll see it will zoom in. If you want it to be slower, you just make the keyframe further apart. If you want to make the zoom faster, make the keyframes closer to each other. As you can see, if it's closer, it's faster, but if the keyframes are further apart, the zoom will be super slow, as you can see. That's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.